Welcome to AKSHARAHA, an initiative by Anvation Educational Trust. In today's class, we are going to learn about Profitability Index, its meaning and problems on PI. Profitability Index. The Profitability PI measures the ratio between PV of future cash inflow and PV of cash outflow. PV means present value. Present value of future cash inflow and present value of cash outflow. Next, let's go to the acceptance rule or decision rule. You accept the result if PV is greater than 1. You reject the PV if it is lesser than 1. If PV is equal to 0, will you accept or will you reject? You won't either accept nor won't reject. See, in general, would you accept the investment which does not give you any profit and also it does not incur any loss? It's totally a bad idea, right? So you won't even consider it. That's it. Now let's go to the formula. PI is equal to PV of cash inflow divided by PV of cash outflow. This is the formula. Now let's calculate a problem. Calculate PI by applying a discount rate at 10% investment of rupees 85 lakh. Year. So there are 3 years, year 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 cash inflows. For year 1 it's 3,55,000, for year 2 it's 8,50,000, for year 3 it's 2,55,000. PV factor for year 1 is 0.909 and for second year is 0.826 and for third year is 0.751. So in previous classes I have told you about how to calculate the PV factor. So if you want to know how these numbers occurred, then please go back to the previous classes recordings and please check it. Now let's go to problems directly. Year 1, 2, 3. What's the cash inflow? It's 3,55,000 for first year, right? For second year it's 8,50,000. For third year it's 0.909. For second year it's 0.826 and for third year it's 0.751. Now you have to calculate PV. How do you calculate PV? By multiplying cash inflow into PV factor. Multiply this. So if you multiply 3,55,000 into 0.909, so 3,55,000 into 0.909. How much you'll get? It's 3,22,695. 3,22,695. Now, what's the second year's? 8,50,000 into 0.826. Now let's calculate that. 8,50,000 into 0.826. What's the result? It's 702,100. 702,100. It's nothing but 7,02,100. So what's the third year? 2,55,000. 2,55,000 into 0.751. What's the result? It's 1,91,505. Now let's add this. So total of these is 12,16,300. Now what's the formula? It's cash inflow divided by cash outflow, right? What's the cash inflow? This is cash inflow. So cash inflow is equal to 12 lakh 16,300 divided by 85 lakh. What this amount is this initial investment. Okay. So what do you get if you divide these two? 12 lakh 16,300 divided by 85 lakh. What's the answer? It's 0.1430. So now let's go to the criteria. What is the criteria here? You only accept the product only if PV is greater than 1, or else you'll reject it. Okay. So consider this. Is this greater than 1? No. This is less than 1. So what you'll do? You'll reject it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.